Hey everyone, JTR Cards. In this video, I will be opening Volume 19 of the RC Explosion Box by Filmington. First things first, congratulations to Filmington for becoming a dad. Cheers to you, buddy. I hope everyone is doing well. Filmington had a handful of these. He expanded this month, had a handful of them available around midnight on July 1st, and I believe they were sold out rather quickly, I would say within a half hour. So if you missed out, try again next month. Maybe someone will drop their subscription. I wouldn't recommend it. You get really good bang for your buck. So without any further ado, let's get to ripping. I've seen quite a few videos of this. The pack lineup is solid, as it has been for the last 3 months, and that I've been a subscriber, and wow, peanuts everywhere. And for the months prior to that. So I've got the literature right here. I'll open that up for you. Take a look at his social media. You want to pause it here. Go check him out on his different platforms. Here is the pack lineup for this month. It's 93 Series 1, 01 Bowman, 13 Series 1, 15 Update, 17 Chrome, 18 Series 1, 18 Update Retail, 19 Heritage High, 19 Update, and Series 1 and Series 2 from 2020. So let's dig these peanuts out of here. I do know there was an issue with the 2001 Bowman bricking, so I'm not going to be all that concerned about it. If I get something, then I know Filmington's a stand-up guy, and I think he's even said so on all of his social media that he'll take care of any issues. So we will see what we get. I'm going to stack these up right here. We're going to start with 93 Bowman. We are looking for Jeter. And the gold variation of Jeter. I would also take a gold variation of Bonds or Griffey. I think there's a Jason Kendall in here also. So I am going to struggle mightily with this pack. And I am just going to be that guy and rip it all apart. So our gold is a John Kelly. Let's see here. We have a Bobby Bonilla. He just got paid a couple weeks ago. Good for him. Wally Joyner on the Royals. Gary Gaetti. Checklist. Nice. And not a whole lot there. So, all right. 2001 Bowman. Looking for Pujols, Miggy, Jose Reyes. Who else? That's it. I guess there's a base and golds of those guys, and an auto of Pujols. So let's see which one of these. I believe he procured the Bowman from a couple different vendors, and I know a couple of the boxes bricked. This seems I've seen worse, so let's just see what we get here. Tomooka, Darwin Kubalan, Arturo McDowell, Darnell Stinson. There's a King Griffey Jr. Not bad. It's not bad. Set him up right there. A little bit of paper loss. Steve Smith, Grady Sizemore, Josh Young, Josh Hamilton. There's paper loss, but I mean, it was we all expected it. And then a Toe Nash on the back. Brad Racky, I want to get another look at this Griffey Jr. Yeah, you can see sort of some of the paper loss, so it's not a big deal. I'm good. Phil, if you're watching this, you don't have to worry about it. 13 Series 1, looking for a Machado and a Gold Cup Trout, and variations of those two cards. Let's see, we got Ricky Weeks, Zimmerman, Gold Cup of Darvish. Let's see, we have Cabrera, Trout, and Beltre, batting leaders probably. Matt Holliday, Danny Espinosa, a mini of Ted Williams in the 72 design. That's cool. Darwin Barney, Luke Kokovar, and Eric Chavez. So nothing really out of there. 15 updates. This product's packed. Let's see. I know we have Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Joey Gallo, Byron Buxton, Syndergaard, Eddie Rosario, Gio Urshela, Jock Peterson, Tommy Pham, base and parallels of those guys. So let's see here. Muno, Gil Martin, Moustakas, Uribe, insert of Babe Ruth, John Lester, Todd Frazier, Jason Hayward, Jesse Hahn, and Lo Kane. So nothing doing there. On to 17 Chrome. We're looking for Judge, Bellinger, Bregman, Moncada, Benintendi, and then autos of those guys along with Olsen, David Dahl, Mancini, Gurriel, and Glasnow. There's a Puig on the back. Dansby Swanson on the front. Future stars of Noah Syndergaard, Alfaro, and Puig. So not bad. Swanson, might as well toss up here. 18 Series 1. Let's see, looking for Devers, Albies, Flaherty, Bueller. Who am I forgetting? Robles, Andujar, Hoskins, and Verdugo. Parallels of them as well. I've opened a bunch of this, so I'm not gonna go too slowly. Broxton. Red Sox, J.P. Crawford, Chris Owings, Volquez. So nothing doing there. On to our lone retail pack, but it's a doozy. 18 update, Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Meadows, Torres, Shane Bieber. There's another one. Polka, nope, not Polka though. Let's see, Denard Span, Viglio, Pham, Storybook Endings, Kluber, Culberson, and Louis Valbuena. Bieber's not too bad. Stick him in front of Ken. 18 Heritage High. I go on and on and on about this product. Looking for the big four from last year, along with Hira and all the rookies from Update. Autos, action variants. There's a Vlad Jr. right there and an insert, but that's about it. Three packs to go. Doing 19 update next. We're looking for US 1, Vlad Jr., let's see, Chavis, Arias, Biggio, who else? Kiboom, Riley, Senzel, Brendan Rodgers, there's an Eloy Jimenez debut, there's a Biggio debut, Lucroy, Albers, so yeah, Alex Bregman, insert, there's a Senzel. That's about it. 2 more packs, 20 Series 1, 20 Series 2. 20 Series 1, we're looking for Alvarez, Bichette, and Lux. And parallels of those guys. It's like just a bit. Oh, there's a Goldschmidt 85 design. Let me go back through that. I don't know why I feel like I missed something, but just in case, no. All right. 20 Series 2. Looking for basically Luis Robert. And that's about it. Let's see. Tucker, Future Stars, Rios Future Stars, insert cards, GFY Tops, Trey Turner, Melanson, and Kendrick. So not much doing in this month's RC Explosion box, but that's the way it is. You know, it's products that I hadn't opened before, and some products that I've opened just tons of. Probably the best card, I don't know, maybe that Dansby Swanson Chrome. But, you know, that's the way it is. It's, you know, just one crack at each of, you know, at each of the key years and shots at some of the key rookies. So sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't hit. So last month, I hit an Acuna rookie out of Heritage, and then this month is, you know, what you just saw. So I'll put a link to one of Phil's social media outlets in the description below. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that bell. That way you receive notifications anytime that I post videos. Take care. Stay safe. Later.